overhead. I have the textbook pulled up on the upper part of the screen and the Excel working paper template on the bottom part of the screen so that we can use that to calculate our answer. Sunglasses and limited company manufactures sunglasses. Following is a list of costs the company incurred during May. Use the list to calculate the total manufacturing overhead costs for the month. And then they give us this list: glue for frames, depreciation on company cars used by the sales force, plant depreciation, interest expense, lenses, the company president's salary, plant foreman's salary, plant janitor's wages, and oil for manufacturing equipment. And so we need to look through this list and pull out only what is manufacturing overhead. And so some of these costs are period costs, such as the sales force cars and the depreciation on those cars. That's a period cost because it's not required to produce the product. So we're going to ignore those, and we're just looking for product costs that are indirect, therefore making them overhead. And so we'll just go through the list. Glue for frames is an indirect material, so we will include that. My heavens, if I could type. And it was $250. Depreciation on the company cars used by the sales force is a period cost, so we'll ignore that. Plant depreciation is specific to our product because it's the plant we're producing our product in, so we will include that for $7,500. Interest expense is a period. Lenses is a direct material, so we'll ignore that. The company president's salary is a period cost because the president is overseeing the entire company, not just our production. The plant foreman's salary, now we're talking about the plant, so that is an indirect labor, and so we'll include that. I'm just having a terrible time typing today. And that was $3,500. The plant janitor's wages, that is again an indirect labor. $1,300. And then oil for the manufacturing equipment is included because that's an indirect cost related to production specifically. And so then we can do a sum here. I'm going to use the sum function in Excel. And so we get total manufacturing overhead of $12,700.